Pozdravljen, El Henry. Sklepam, da to ni tvoje pravo ime.
Ime mi je Mohamed, iz Palestine, v Gazi. Živim v Sloveniji 3 leta.
Ja. Zakaj si pa prišel v Slovenijo?
It's luck. And I like it. Through my family, I have like a friends before I came here, so yeah, that's why I choose Slovenia.
Se pravi, prej si že poznal Slovenijo, si vedel, kje Slovenija je?
Yeah. I know Slovenia and I was wish to come here. So yeah, my wishes come true.
Kako pa ti je uspelo priti v Slovenijo?
Actually, I came through work visa. So yeah, and here I am like working.
Torej delaš v Sloveniji?
Ja.
S čim se ukvarjaš, lahko vprašamo?
Ja, po poklicu sem fizioterapeut, ampak na žalost jaz delam na elektronik služba. Ja, ampak zdaj poskušam govorim slovensko in učim se slovenščino.
Pa je težka slovenščina?
Samo gramatika težko. Samo gramatika težko, ampak razumem veliko besede.
Razumeš. No, da gremo malo k muziki. Od kdaj si reper? Od kdaj se ukvarjaš z muziko, z glasbo?
I start making music since 2010. I start, and my official video clip it was in 2015. It was I'm talking about the perfect družina, about my country, Palestine, and especially about Gaza city, because I'm from Gaza. So I have a dream to see Gaza in this picture or this reality, because I was talking about the perfect country. But unfortunately, as we know, the suffering it is not end in my country.
Trpljenje se nikoli ne konča. Torej, je na začetku, ko si začel delati, kaj so bile tematike? Torej, je bila tematika ta perfekcija, ne? Lepa, perfektna, ali kako, družina, ljubezen, reperske tematike na začetku?
My songs is about the suffering of the Palestinian life or the Palestinians' life, and I'm talking about my life too and what I see in my life.
A to od samega začetka, se pravi, govoriš o trpljenju Palestincev?
Yeah.
Torej si angažiran, nisi nikoli prepeval kakšni lepi punci?
No, I tried. A lot of people ask me to make like happy song or something, but it's from inside. So I'm talking about the reality through rap music. And I'm actually a writer. I like to writing like free songs since I was kid, in like 14 years old. I start writing. Then I listen to rap music. I like it because it is talking about reality. Then I decide to try to write like them. Actually, I start with like Palestinian rap music, and yeah, step by step I am what I am now.
Si imel še kakšne vzornike iz tujine, ne iz Palestine, reperje pač?
Actually, not idols, but I know a lot of friends, because every rapper have his own life or his own way, so it is like this. So I'm talking about my life, he's talking about his life. We're talking about one issue, about suffering, about Palestine, about homeless people, about any problem in life.
In kako je izgledalo snemanje, tam, ko si bil še doma? Kako studio, produkcija, na kakšnem nivoju je to bilo, jaz si ne predstavljam?
In Gaza it was very hard, and actually I had a chance in a French office or French center in Gaza for like talent people, but unfortunately they didn't allow us to go through to go to West Bank or to travel to Europe because of Israeli occupation. They don't allow us to get the, how can I say, permission to, yeah. So, yeah, and when I wanna buy mic in Gaza, it is very, very hard because of occupation. They not allowing, they control everything. They control everything, and the price is very high, sorry, because of them, because of the Israeli occupation. So I tried before to get microphone from Europe. My friend wanna send me one, but it is no way. There is no way to send it. But here I am now in Europe, and yeah, it's.
Zdaj si v Sloveniji in kako zdaj izgleda tvoja produkcija skladb? Imaš računalnik, mikrofon, bite, delaš sam, kako?
Yeah, now I have, I bought my microphone, like it's home studio, very simple home studio, just for recording. I try to make music, but unfortunately I don't have the tools to make instrumentals. And it is very expensive. So for now, I just record my music. I go to my friend. He's a producer and he's a piano player. So we make together music.
Slovenc?
So, yeah, he's a Slovenian. Pouren, his name is Pouren, Tine Pouren. We make song. It's called "We Are the Seeds." And we make a remix for song. It is called "Here Is Everything," and there is I have it on YouTube channel.
Ja, sej ta video smo videli. Posnet je bil v Gazi in kdaj?
Yeah, "Here Is Everything." It was in Gaza, and it was in 2019. 2019 in Gaza. It's called "Here Is Everything." And I was wear the prisoner clothes, the orange one, and I actually make it through like store. I bought it. I bought here 2 million. This mention for 2 million people, 2 million people in Gaza, and we are all prisoners because of the Israeli occupation. They put us in siege since now 18 years, unfortunately.
Ampak zdaj to je doseglo najvišji možni nivo. Kako se zdaj počutiš, ko se to dogaja v Gazi?
It is make me nervous, make me stress all the time. All the time I am on my phone to check news. Even if I am at work in pause or something, I just check news. On the bus, I check news. I try to contact with my family. They're still in Gaza, with my friends, and in the same time, it's gave me like. Unfortunately, from sadness, I make my songs. So yeah, it is. I can't explain my feelings about this because it is unbelievable and it is like over stressful, unfortunately.
A je še kdo tukaj v Ljubljani s tabo iz Gaze, s katerim se lahko pogovarjaš, družiš in si izmenjuješ pač misli?
Yeah, I'm lucky. I have my brother here and I have another brother in Austria. And I met a friend here from Gaza too, so we talked. But every time we just sit together or meet each other, we talk. And the main issue is about what is happening now in Gaza, and what is the new, and what is our thoughts. It will be, yeah. And we like kill our negative energy through just talking, through to help each other, to be patient as much as we can.
Ljudje, ki so te slišali nedavno na enem koncertu, ki si ga imel pred kratkim, so slišali tudi tvojo zgodbo o tvojih starših, oziroma kaj se jim je zgodilo, ki si je opesnil v rap in v rime. Lahko poveš kaj več o temu?
Yeah, it's called My Life, this song, and it is also on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. It was the hardest and the most difficult time for me when I lost them. They passed away without any goodbye. It's like a dream. And it was both in the same year, just 7 months between every lost. Unfortunately, the Israeli occupation are reason of these two, because they have disease. My mother have cancer in her thyroid gland. My father have diabetic 1. So in that time, we have a problem with the medicine come from the borders. Because of Israeli occupation, they control it. And my mom was need to go to West Bank to make this surgery, but unfortunately, the process, because of the Israeli occupation, it takes too much or too long time. But now they passed away, and I'm sure that they are in the best place, live in peace now. Yeah, away from these problems, from this suffering, from this starvation, from this displacement. I always thank God that they are not alive, because when I saw the elderly running under the shooting, under the bombs, it is make me feel sad, very sad. They are elderly people. What they do to make them displacement from place to place? To live in tents, leave your house that you live in for 50 years, and just in 1 second, in 10 minutes, you lost everything, and you see yourself covered or live in a tent. It is disaster. Nakba, we called it Nakba in Arabic. It is called catastrophe. It's mean catastrophe. Yeah.
Pa tle misliš, da tukaj v Sloveniji se ljudje zavedajo tega, kar se dogaja dol? Vedo, kaj se dogaja dol zares, ali pač imajo predstavo, ki jim jo dajo mediji?
I met a lot of people. They really know, they read, and especially elderly people. Because elderly people, they know like when Yugoslavia was, and they know our president, Yasser Arafat, and they know about Palestine when they recognized Slovenia as a country in 1992, May. So yeah, but now with social media, with Instagram and all videos and TikTok, it show you who's the devil and show you a lot of facts. So now people like awake. It's step by step, or as you said in Slovenian, korak za korakom. Yeah.
Korak za korakom. Zdaj, par tednov nazaj se je dogajalo zelo veliko protestov, sploh v Italiji, ki so bili zelo zatrti strani vlad in vsega. Se pravi, ljudje so na vaši strani, ne? In kaj bi tem ljudem sporočil, če bi lahko govoril z njimi? S tistimi, ki vejo, kaj se dogaja.
Yeah, it really makes me very happy, and not just me being Palestinian. All of Palestinian people in Gaza and in West Bank and everywhere, we feel like happy. We like take the energy, take the passion, or be strong when we see these people shout in our name or raising our voice. This is very important, and yeah, we feel like happy for this, and we hope it is not stop, because we need more action.
Se pravi, tudi čez muziko, čez rap se da doseči nekaj, ker rap je pač beseda človeka, ne? In kdo v Sloveniji od reperjev, koga poznaš v Sloveniji od reperjev, s kom se družiš, s kom se pogovarjaš, o slovenskih reperjev, ki jih morda tudi naši gledalci poznajo?
Yeah, actually we had a concert in Kinishishka, and I was, it was in May. I had 2 concerts in Kinishishka and like 3 more or 4 more in other places. But especially in Kinishishka, it was about Palestine in May. And I met a lot of famous Slovenian artists. They are singers, musicians in general. So it was like, wow, when you see famous Slovenian artists talking and raising your Palestinian voice, talking about the rights, that's amazing. I don't know what to say, but enough to see them talking about Palestine.
Veš, kaj bi mi mogoče želeli? Eno pesem, arabsko, slovensko, en komad. Bo kdaj to nastalo? Si lahko, ne? Pričakujemo kaj tazga?
You mean Slovenian and Arabic?
Yes, with the slovenskim reperjem mogoče, ali pa reperko, se ni nujno, da je moški.
Actually, yeah, I will have with my friend Tine Pouren and with others like Kiki, she's amazing artist, and with my friend, he's from Syria, Arabian, but he can sing in Slovenian too. And I try to sing in Slovenian, so or write at least a little bit, one verse at least in Slovenian language. So yeah, počasi I will.
Počasi.
I will did it, or I will do it. Yeah. So soon you will see good news about a new featuring with the Slovenian artist.
Hvala. Glede na to, kako si videti, ne, sklepamo, da se ukvarjaš tudi športom. Kaj počneš za ohranjevanje take postave?
I am bodybuilder. I love it because my study is physical therapist, so in general I love to be healthy. I love to look good. Yeah. And it is a very good way to be positive, to be fresh, to be active, to be strong too. So.
Še nekaj me zanima. V Palestini verjetno si imel neko zvrst prehranjevanja, kako se pa prehranjuješ tukaj? Kakšna je razlika v hrani, recimo?
There is like very big difference we have about arabsko hrana or slovensko or Balkans in general. But I will talk about Palestinian food or Slovenian food. For me, we love spices, and that's what I didn't found a lot of these spices. But it's okay for me as a bodybuilder, enough for me specific food. No, yeah.
Specific food.
Specific food.
Torej ena jed slovenska, ki ti je všeč, ko se pregrešiš vsake toliko tudi, ko ne?
Aha. The most famous here is Purek. Purek with yogurt. This is the most famous here. The most famous here. And shabab shishi. Shabab shishi or kebab. We called it kebab in Arabic.
Imaš še kakšno sporočilo našim bralcem, gledalcem?
To the people. My message to the people, just keep posting about Palestine, about Lebanon, about Yemen, about Syria. And nebu zabati na Palestine, in Gaza, in Lebanon, in Syria, in Yemen, in Iraq. To. Just your word make different. Keep remember this. And khfala lipa. Yeah, I hope every suffering will end. I hope that the suffer will end soon. And thank you for listening and for rising our people voice or my people voice.
Hvala tebi in hvala za tvojo muziko, ki je res dobra.
Hvala lepa in se vidimo.